Wish me luck. I'm going on my driving test, guys. Man, it's like the third job I've been trying to apply for. Sometimes it takes a while to land something, so. All right, so I got here at Frito, you get different trainers every week for up to 6 weeks. So now I have to find his truck. So let's find his truck. Hopefully it should already be hooked up. So let's go see. This is my trainer's truck. He got his assigned truck, so we're gonna be in this thing for the whole week. Cool. I like stability. All right, so let me get my little lunch. Let's get this lunch with my waters. Sometimes you gotta carry a layover bag because you never know. You know, on some runs you have to lay over. You definitely gotta have steel toe boots. Gotta be safe for the job we do, and some gloves. He keep his truck nice and clean. That's all right. Go ahead, Brad. I see you keep your truck nice. Hey everybody. So nice chilling with y'all on the live feed, but we are about to depart. I'm here with my trainer. We're about to be on our way back to the terminal. So we just finished doing the free trip. Everything had to turn. Yeah, we gotta get on the road with Mr. CNG. Hey, Mr. Natural Gas, how you doing? What's your name? Your name CNG? Is that what your name is? Or your name Frito? What is it? Hey.
Get up in there as a trainee. I'll be driving tomorrow though. So, yeah, baby. All right, Rocky Mountain Hotel, Holiday Inn. Got that Kenworth box truck. Pretty nice. About to make me a sandwich.
Yeah. All right. It is time to start the day. Come on, y'all. My sister got to log in. So I got my paperwork. They didn't hook this trailer today, so they got to pay us to hook the trailer. So let me get my stuff and put it in this truck. All right. I am getting my information. I got to remember my driver's code. I always forget the damn driver's code.
Okay.
Because you gonna sweat out what you got on. You might want to change. You gotta ride around 20.
Okay. Whew. I see light. Hallelujah. I see light. Oh, Lord. Lord knows.
We are almost done. Goodness. Usually it's doors on these vans, but this is a straight truck, so goodness. I got sweat running down back my ass right now. I'm going to need me a shower when I go home. I don't even change my shirt. My feet